guys, so this is Lelo. So welcome to my channel. So I'll be showing you how to style this unit. It's a 4x4 closure from UEENLY Hair. So I'm gonna make use of some products, simple products that you can get access to, that can make your closure to look like more of a frontal look. Okay, so here I'm just showing you how the unit looks. It's a Brazilian straight hair 16-inch from UEENLY Hair. Got it at Alieexpress. So there I'll be prepping and combing and ensuring that the hair that I'll be working with, it's smooth and detangled. Okay, so yeah, as I said, it's a unit. Yeah, so there I'm just using my foundation to blend it on my bald cap so that the parting, the white space on the bald cap doesn't appear on my parting from the closure. Okay, so you'll know what I mean. Okay, so there I'll just blend and put on some freeze spray. That's freeze spray, I got it at Clicks. I will link the name of that freeze spray down below. Okay, so they just installed the wig. Yeah, combing and detangling, making sure that the side part, because I normally do, most of the people who know me, they will know, especially as well as if you hop onto my Instagram, I like a side part. So yeah, so molding there and trying to get everything together, using a flex gel to lay the closure. Right, this is your plug, this is the plug. Okay, so use the flex gel. The flex gel I got it also from Clicks. I will link the products that I use down below to get the final look. Okay, so there I'll just mold the baby hairs in the position that I like. Right, excuse me. So yeah, molding the baby hairs. So I do it at the same time, so it's my preference. So you can also start by laying the closure first, and then thereafter lay the baby hairs after the gel has dried from the closure. So for me, I just do it one way. Okay, so when I'm satisfied, I just use the you can take babies, I'm going to elab or eduk, and then you can just use it there to put it there to melt your closure down. Okay, so you just wait it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes to 15 minutes, you take it out, and then you just check where you need to readjust your baby hairs until you are satisfied with them. Okay, so yeah, you just take out the duke. I call it the duke because of the kasiwe. So take out the duke, and then you just applied some wipe just to remove the white freeze from the edges. Okay, made by the gel, of course. Bottle, it's just water there, and then I just quickly comb and trying to style and check whether the baby hairs are okay and the edges are laid. So I only use 3 products, guys, 3. Okay, excluding the water, but including the water, it's actually 4. It's the freeze spray, the foundation and everything to blend your scalp, the gel, the toothbrush, of course, which is your main plug that will mold your baby hairs or your edges. don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. Thank you